Here we are at lot 16, Bay Ridge, 1.45 acres. As you can see behind me, you've got lake and mountain view, really outstanding views. I would argue with anybody that the views along this ridgeline are the best on Lake Keowee to get both. So if you're, somebody says, hey, I want a mountain house. Well, why not add lake option to your mountain house? And what I mean by that is this lot comes with a boat slip. It comes with the property on deep water. We will get down to the boat slip down here soon enough. It also has its own boat ramp in this community. As you well know, this community is also gated, so there are a lot of advantages here. You've got a large lot. It's going to give you plenty of privacy. In fact, there are houses on each side of you. You've got a house over here on lot 15, just over our vehicle. And actually the lot line is up there near the power box on that side. And then as you come down the road, you'll look back through the trees over here, you'll see the house on 17. And again, the lot lines around on the other side, so you got a lot of frontage here to work with. You've got a sloping lot. Obviously you got to be sloping to get this kind of view. Let's step into the lot. We're going to take a look kind of where I would build the house, the view that you could open up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the left of the house here on lot 15. There's an open area over there that will really show you what you can potentially get, because we had another lot that sold up here last year. We went in, had the trees taken down in the view corridor, and it opened up the view very similar to what you're going to see over there in that area. So let's check out the build site first and go from there. Here we are. You're going to come off the road just a little way because you don't want to get too far down the hill to lose any of this view. But again, as you can see, it's sloped. Certainly going to be a basement style house just like everything else along this ridge line. And then again, really just thin this out because the lot goes down 300 plus feet down through that bottom. So you're going to have plenty control of these particular trees to open up this view. So again, just a very unique property around Lake Keowee, mountain lake, boat slip, all of that stuff, gated community. So let's head now. We're going to go over to the open area and then we're going to head down to the dock slip area. Now as you can see, we're over here at the opening, so we don't have the trees in front of you that you saw on lot 16, which again, you can go in, you can cut the trees down to open up the view to get more like this is what you're going to be looking at. So that's going to make a big difference. And again, you're looking back at the Joe Cassie Dam over here on the left, all the way up through the Joe Cassie Gorges. Just an incredible view to have these mountains, a lake, and then get a boat slip with it. Speaking of boat slip, let's head on down to the boat slip area and we'll show you which slip comes with lot 16. All right, here we are at the boat slip. It's number 10. As you can see, very deep water. Easy access just to get out to the lake, no problems there. And again, what a great view you even have down here at the boat slip area. You look to the left and you'll also notice there is a boat ramp for Bay Ridge, so very accessible, easy to get your watercraft in and out. And you could also, if you didn't want to put your boat and you just wanted to put jet skis in here, you could add a jet ski buoy with no problems there. So if you have any interest in this lot or have any questions, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video. It will just blow your mind. Again, the views that you get up in this area, great place to live full-time, second home, whatever it may be that you're looking for. you.